and welcome to another video tutorial from leanEdit. Today I'm going to talk you through the process to upload more than one video and merge them in the application. This is something that some people may need to do at some stage, particularly if their project's broken up into more than one video, and in order to carry out a single analysis you'll need to merge them. So what you do is you click on the Choose Media button, takes you to your Windows Explorer, click Desktop. Here's my videos. I'm going to select two videos this time, so I'm going to click on the cue card, hold down the Control key, and then click on Pizza Making. Now you can see I've got two of them highlighted. The order that these are in is important because Pizza LA cue card is first, then that will be the first video to show when they're merged. Then I'm going to hit the Open button. This time you see a different screen come up than you would for a single video, and it shows you the progress of each of one of these videos being loaded. Now you can see they're both done at 100%. I can hit the Close button. Over on the left hand side under Upload My Footage, again you'll see the circle moving around to signify that it's pulling in the thumbnail. While that's going on, again I can type in the name of the video. The date as before is standard for today. I can put my location and I can put my initials in. Then I'm going to hit Submit, and it moves now into the vault on the right hand side, similar to a single video. This time you'll notice it's a little bit different. You'll notice that there are some small additional icon added here, and if you mouse over that, it'll tell you this is how you convert the clips, because you've got multiple clips. So you click on those, and now you'll see the clips pop up in this box. There's a Convert Clips button. You're going to click on it, and now these clips are going to load in this screen using this very similar red bar to what was used when you uploaded a single video. See, the one on the left is much shorter, so now that one's done and a check mark will appear. One on the right takes a little bit longer because it's a little bit bigger. So again, this is dependent on the size of your videos, of course, and the length of time it takes is dependent on that particular size. So here we're at 40%, 50%. This video is going to take just a few more seconds to be done. Once it's at 100% and we get the check mark, then what we can do is we can click on the OK button in the bottom right hand corner right here. So here we are, we're at 80%, 90%. When 100 comes up and we see the check mark, here we go. I can now hit the OK button here. OK there, OK there. Now the videos are here in the vault. They've been converted. If I want to start a project using the merged videos, I click on this icon, and this box comes up and says, hey, they're processing, they're going to be merged, and moves me to the tool selection screen. And we'll go through tool selection in another video. So hope you enjoyed that, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.